I'll guide you through the requirements, subscription tiers, and banking security to earn 6% APY on Elon Musk's financial platform, X Money. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. X Money offers a 6% annual percentage yield or APY on eligible cash balances, far exceeding the national average for high-yield savings accounts. However, because X Money operates as a digital financial service in partnership with Cross River Bank, earning this top-tier rate depends on your subscription status and account setup. Here are the requirements and subscription tiers to qualify. Members on the Premium Plus tier, $40 per month or $395 per year, automatically qualify for the full 6% APY upon enrolling in X Money. Members on the Standard Premium tier, $8 per month or $84 per year, can unlock the 6% APY rate after setting up qualifying direct deposits, such as receiving at least $1,000 per month in payroll deposits. You must be at least 18 years old, a U.S. resident with a verified residential address, and have completed identity verification on your X account. Because access to the 6% APY rate requires a paid subscription, you need to factor in membership costs to determine your net yield as follows. An annual X Premium subscription costs $84 per year. Maintaining a balance of $1,400 at 6% APY earns $84 per year in interest, effectively making your X Premium subscription pay for itself. Higher balances, such as $10,000 earning $600 per year in interest, deliver substantial net gains even after accounting for subscription fees. Here are additional rewards included with your account. Earning on eligible debit purchases made with your virtual or physical X card. Receive payroll deposits up to 2 days earlier than traditional banks. Worldwide fee-free cash withdrawals at participating network ATMs. To activate these features, click to watch this video right here and don't forget to subscribe for more such educational videos. Thanks for watching.